Cats have a unique grooming habit that helps them regulate their body temperature. When cats lick their fur, the saliva evaporates and cools them down, similar to how sweating works in humans. This process not only keeps their coat clean but also reduces stress and anxiety as grooming releases endorphins. Interestingly, cats spend about 30 to 50% of their waking hours grooming themselves. Their rough tongues, covered in tiny hook-like structures called papillae, are perfect for detangling fur and removing dirt. This meticulous grooming also helps distribute natural oils across their coat, keeping it shiny and healthy.